All right. Now that we are able to activate our environments, let's quickly create a hello world in Fast API. So I'll create a new file in apps. I'll call it main.py. Then I'll quickly head to Fast API documentation, um, which is this one. First step, I'll copy this code, come and paste it here. So this is actually the hello world in Fast API. To explain further, we need to import Fast API from Fast API, and we need to initialize it to our app here in line 3. Then we can call the HTTP method and then define our path, which is a string on it. Then under our path, we can define any function to do anything we want it to do. So in this function, we are declaring async function just to return hello world message to the user when the user hits the URL. So let me quickly save this and then come here, type this command uvconf app.main for column app dash dash reload. So actually we are running our server with uvconf. Our file path is in app main and then the app that we want to run, and then the hyphen reload is used when you are in dev, and this help you when you save a change. It automatically refresh your API for you, your dev server for you. So finally our app is running. As you can see, started reloading process, server started, waiting for application setup, application started, completed, and you can see the URL here. So let's now head to the browser. And then run our hello world. So good, and we can see the message hello world return to our browser. We can then go to docs, /docs to see the documentation part of it. This work with internet, so this will only work when you have internet connection. So you could see currently we have only hello world, which is a get request. Let's execute it, and you could see the response here as well.